math all over again.
No, I can't do math in here. Because I don't want to do it.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Therese. If this is your first time, please like, subscribe at the end of the video. I am doing a cleaning after a party. My little kitchen is a mess. I'm just doing the kitchen and the counter. It's more work than it looks, but thank you so much for stopping by. I'm a mom of 3 and I have a 5 almost 6 months old baby, and it's either he's on my back or somebody's holding, so I'm able to do some stuff around the house. But right now he took a nap. Let's see for how long that's going to happen while I clean. First, I'm going to take all the clean dishes from the dishwasher into putting into the cabinet. Then I'm going to load up the dishwasher. Then I'm going to clean the counters, and that will be that for this evening. And I'll do this, and we already ate. As you see, the table is all a mess, and yeah, and thank you so much for stopping and continue to watch, and thank you so much for supporting me. I don't know if you noticed, but I love cleaning up and putting some music and just dancing. So don't mind my dancing. I just love to dance, and yeah, just enjoying some African music and dancing while I clean. I'm almost done putting all this stuff, the dirty stuff, into the dishwasher, and I'm loading up. I'm putting some soap and dancing. So I'm almost done with that. I will run the dishwasher, then I'll start washing the pots and pans. If you have gotten this far and you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and do so and join my little family. I usually do mom's video. I'm a mom. I mentioned that before. I do cleaning, cooking. I love to cook and eat and yeah, cleaning. And I do my video. And thank you so much for watching. And please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share the video. I'm almost done with the pads and pens, and I'm gonna start with the counters, and pretty soon I'll be done. It looked like I would never finish this, but I'm almost done. Any tips when I try to do this? I usually just put some music on and start with putting all the glass cups, plates into the dishwasher. Then I clean the other big items. Then I clean the counters, the stove, and the microwave. And then wipe down all the appliances. Sorry, my kid is watching something and she's just, you know who that is exactly while I'm recording this voiceover. Thank you so much for continuing to watch, and I am almost done, and I appreciate it if you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Asking for an apple, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut her an apple. While I was cutting, watch what she's gonna do, and I didn't notice it until when I was watching and doing this voiceover. She was biting into the apple. I checked it later, she actually did. So yeah, that's kids. Well, even though it looked like I would never finish, I'm actually finally finished. I'm gonna put on my microfiber rags. I love these microfiber rags that I use everywhere. And after cleaning, I will usually just go and throw them into the washer and wash them like that. That way I can reuse them again and again. And thank you so much for watching my video, and I really appreciate it. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and do so. And this was just cleaning after the party, and it was just a mess. The whole my little kitchen was just mess full of dishes everywhere. And yeah, that's how it's gonna look like. Not the way that I like it to look, but it's better than how we started it. Actually, things are actually cleaned, and I'm still gonna wait for the dishes that's in the dishwasher to finish, then I'll put them away. And those are the baby's bottle that I had to wash. I usually wash them separate. Thank you for watching. This is how it looks like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.